It's time. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is LaToya Ebony, and this is the only way I have figured out how to do this. Okay, just turn on the camera, week in my hair, month in my hair, and just go. Now, when I tell you that it is time to really wash and do the thing to my hair, I'm not lying. So if you see a couple flakes, I mean, I have seborrheic dermatitis and it's time for wash day, okay? Cut me a break. I think I'm gonna spray just a little bit of water, like just a little bit, because my hair is feeling a bit dry and the only way to really moisturize it is good old H2O. Life has been incredibly busy and incredibly different for me. I am in a new phase. By the way, I tried Cecred. I was one of the first people, I feel like, to order from them that day when they launched randomly on Instagram or wherever they launched. Look at what came in the mail while I was away. The shipping was so fast, by the way. As soon as I saw it, I bought it, okay? And so I've been using it ever since, and I had planned to make this big, long, detailed kind of explanation about it and really go into it, but y'all, the time just wasn't it. So I am gonna do that review and this week in my hair a little bit later, so stay tuned. I'll let you know all of my thoughts. Hey, Editing Toya here, and the review for Cecred is gonna come in the next video because I didn't realize how long-winded I was. Okay, back to the video. But I'm gonna be using it today as I get ready. This is their moisture sealing lotion. I also filmed some footage of me in the shower and all the things, honey, okay? So stay tuned. Now, life has been incredibly busy for me in a different way. I am officially an organic skincare formulator, and I have a skincare brand called Someday Sunday. My name is LaToya Ebony. I am the founder and CEO of Someday Sunday. Someday Sunday is all about the ritual of self-care through your beauty routine. I created this brand after seeing the women that I love work themselves to exhaustion, and I found that I was following in the same footsteps. I love what I do. I'm passionate about what I do, but I want rest to be just as important. I want the products that you're putting on your skin to be actually good for you. So I wanted to create a brand that has organic ingredients, natural ingredient, plant-derived ingredients that when you use them, you feel good about it. I'm so excited about what we're building. Follow if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. And we're gonna be launching with, I like to call it skincare for the body, a body care line. And I'm super excited about it. It's gonna be hopefully summer, maybe a little earlier, we'll see, okay? But it has been literally taking up my entire life, okay? Not only am I the founder and CEO, I am the head formulator. I am formulating everything myself, and it makes me incredibly proud because having this achievement of organic skincare formulation is like a dream come true, okay? Before I wanted to be an actress, before I wanted to be a content creator or influencer or anything, I really loved science, and in particular I loved human biology. But then the acting bug hit, child, and it was off to the races, okay? So I'm kind of feels like a little bit of a full circle moment, and you guys know I love products, so there's that. This actually feels really nice on the hair, by the way. This Cecred moisture sealing lotion, it feels really nice, and the scent is not too strong. It's definitely a florally scent, kind of like a perfumey scent, and it's not bad at all. And I definitely choose this over the Innocence lotion that I was using. If you guys are familiar with that, I used that for a long time, and I started using that when I did the 30-day hair detox. you know, it was cool or whatever, but I just like over time I was like, it's not as hydrating as I wanted it to be. And so this one is definitely better than that. I will say it has more slip. It goes on a lot more silky than that one. And I know because I had compared both sides, and the bottle of Innocence is thrown away because I definitely use that up. Y'all, I have been just going through products, skincare, body care, hair care products, and I have just thrown away whatever. Like I used to like keep boxes of stuff for like empties videos, and child, I ain't got the time for it. I just don't. Okay, I needed to like declutter everything. So my office is turning into a manufacturing space for Someday Sunday, so that I can practice good manufacturing practice, making sure that everything is clean and safe and free of contaminants and all the things. And so that just requires me to turn this space into a different space than what it is. And I've been documenting my entire journey of inception of I'm going to be a CEO and everything about it on my second channel, LaToya Ebony. Hey, today is January 13th. And I have some exciting news. I just applied for it's kind of like a program for entrepreneurs. There's this program called Pipeline, and they have a Pathfinders track, and Jay will probably be able to tell you more about it, but I got in. I don't know how to explain it though, because you have been through it already.
You want me to explain it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm driving, so I'm trying not to die. So Pipeline Entrepreneurs is a program within the Midwest that is, imagine it like a business fraternity in this space, that when you're a part of the Pipeline Entrepreneurship Program, you're not only learning how to scale your business, how to be a better entrepreneur yourself. So it's not just supporting your business, but supporting you as an entrepreneur. But then you also become a part of a network of a lot of successful entrepreneurs who have gone through the same things you've gone through, and they can now help you and be there for you as friends and family to help you scale your business and to even protect your heart and your mind as an entrepreneur. And it's been like a crazy roller coaster ride. Sometimes I feel incredibly good and proud, and some days like today I feel guilty for not like posting on this channel for, I don't know, 2 months, however long it's been. I really want to get into my roots a little bit more. And I'm not putting this on my scalp because my scalp cannot handle any kind of oil, child. Y'all already know, okay? Those of you who have scalp conditions like me, scalp oils and whatnot are just like not it. But my girl Faye in the city, she has launched a hair care brand called Sampion, I believe. Forgive me, girl, if I'm saying this wrong, but she has come out with like a growth hair oil that's worked really well for her. I'll link it down below. I'm in the middle of detangling my hair, and you guys know I don't use hair oils on my scalp because of my scalp condition, but this oil is thick. It has castor oil, pumpkin seed oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and I believe one other lavender oil. So all great hair growth benefits, and also supporting the hair shaft, which is what I'm going to be using it for. But this seems like a great oil specifically to like help seal or protect the hair as well, and growth, of course. I purchased it because I'm supporting her, and also my son and my husband will be able to use it. So, you know, she's my girl, I'm gonna support her. I supported her t-shirt line, I supported everything. Like I support everything all of my friends do. That's just like a part of my nature, and also they be making dope stuff, okay? So go ahead and support. Okay, the hair, what are we doing with it? As we have already said, the hair is old, okay? It's old, and I'm trying to revive it because I'm filming a bunch of stuff for grants. Oh, the hair does feel a lot softer than it was, because child, it was looking crusty. I mean, it's still looking a little crusty, but you know what I mean. I got my little Bye Felicia twist in here, and we about to take them out. It's been in this twist for like a week, I would say. I'm doing my best, okay? I'm doing my best. My hair has lived in twists for months now. I wash my hair in twists, then I take them down, like detangle my hair, do all the things and twist it right back up. That is my routine. And when I need to like do something good, good and amazing, when I need to do something where I need to be seen like in the public eye, like for basically networking with Someday Sunday or like just networking in Kansas City in general, then I just go ahead and take those twists down. We are low maintenance this year. Like when I say low maintenance, I mean low, okay? Like to the point where I'm not even putting fake hair in my hair because nah, we're like, that's too much work for me right now, okay? I am literally in here formulating like a scientist nearly every day so that I can be ready for this launch, and things are like happening so God is really good, you guys. God is so good. So I don't know if you guys know, but I am currently like in this program called Pipeline Entrepreneurs. They really build up like budding entrepreneurs or people who already have a business and need more support and things like that. And I'm learning so much. We've only had one module and we have another one coming up. And so I definitely document that on my other channel. They had us in a whole hotel and everything, y'all. It was amazing. It was a luxury hotel too. It was really nice. And it just felt really good to have like a company believe in you so much that they invest in you. That's amazing. That is so amazing to me. Okay, so the hair it's all right. Let me show you what it's looking like. I mean, I would say for it being wash day and having the flaky flakes a little bit, this is pretty good. As I said, I'm gonna be filling out grant applications, and so many of them want like videos and like you talking or like executive summaries or summaries of like what you're doing. Because I haven't officially launched yet, it's a little bit more challenging for me because thankfully I have the products to show, like, you know, prototypes and things like that, but nothing is necessarily in its final stage yet. But it's getting there and it's dope. Go ahead and sign up for the newsletter for Someday Sunday. You guys are gonna get extra perks and discounts and stuff once I launch, so definitely be sure to sign up. I also have a YouTube channel that I'm gonna be starting for it, and Instagram and TikTok, so I will link that down below. And my husband's doing all the design for it. He's a designer with over 20 years experience, so he is amazing, and I'm so grateful that he's helping me out with this. He's like, I'll show you guys the packaging that I was sending to testers. So I've been like in the research and development phase for a long time. Research and development, basically a combination of like creating the product, but also testing it and then retesting it and then reformulating it and all the things, and like asking for opinions, and like it's been a process. It really has been a process. And then on top of that, like having to put your business hat on and being like, okay, so when you are formulating like high quality natural and organic ingredients and all the things, it's very expensive, you guys. Like, it's so expensive. So I haven't even been buying like clothes and shoes and stuff because everything goes in it to the business. Everything goes into my little baby, okay? It's my baby, and I cannot wait for her to be born. The whole brand is all about, child, my ring almost took my twist out. You guys saw that? This is why I try to take off my wedding ring when I'm doing my hair. So the brand is centered around the ritual of self-care through your beauty routine. And it is a reminder to take a break. Self-care does not need a special occasion.
Someday refers to putting off your desires to the future. Sunday is a common day of rest and rejuvenation. Someday Sunday makes every day Sunday. It's an invitation to give yourself permission to rest.
And it's something that I've been like grappling with my entire life. It's like, women, we always put everybody else before us. It's almost like this rite of passage for womanhood, right? Like, I don't know. And it's like, it's not me. It's literally every woman around me. It's like passed down through centuries that you are not the most important. We need to take care of the kids and the husband and the church and the everything all before us. And I just constantly felt myself like in this hamster wheel of just like over exhausting myself. And I look around and all of the other women that I know and love are doing the same exact thing. And I just wanted to create a brand that reminded us that we can take a break whenever we feel like it. The other day, listen, I was like in the bathroom. I was like cleaning the bathroom, all the things. It's the guest bathroom, right? So I'm like, I'm gonna like keep it clean for everybody else. And I was just looking at that tub and I was like, I need to take a bath. So I took one of my products and I took a bath. And it was so good and so needed. And let me tell you, it changed the course of the rest of my day. Just taking a bath, you guys. Sometimes it's just like all you need is to be like, you know what? This is important. And then go ahead and do it, right? So that's what this brand is all about. And obviously with ingredients that are good for your body. So it was a very conscious decision. I'm seeing like a little bit of like debris from the scalp in my hair right now. This is the real, okay? This is what these week in my hairs are for. Is so that you guys can get like a real life view. Like this is day 8 or 9 or something for me, and I'm well past when it's time. But it's not like too bad. It's not too bad because all the things that I do to my hair to kind of keep it as optimal as I can, and also diet is so important. We'll talk about that another day, okay? I spent so many years like selling products that aren't, like some of them are great for you and all natural and some of them just aren't. And I just didn't want to put another product into the universe that just wasn't going to be good. This stuff goes on your skin, it seeps into you, stuff goes on our scalp and our hair. And like, I'm just like, I don't want to be a part of the problem. So I'm not. And that's how I built Someday Sunday. That's how Someday Sunday was born. So with that being said, this is day 1. Bam bam. And this is probably gonna be a longer video, but she's still good. She still got swang, you know, and I'll let you guys know next time I come on about Cecred, okay? Give me a couple days.